Hello everyone, we got action news for today's video. We got here from Poochie, big media, lots of eyeballs, 10 billion crypto firm Ripple considers relocating to London over US regulation. London, Ripple, the 10 billion financial technology company best known for cryptocurrency XRP, is considering relocating its headquarters overseas due to frustration with US regulatory environment. The San Francisco-based firm's CEO Brad Garlinghouse, who says he visited London only last month, told CNBC that UK markets watchdog the Financial Conduct Authority doesn't deem XRP a security. The outcome of that was clarity that XRP is not a security and is used as a currency. With that clarity, it will be advantageous for Ripple to operate in the UK. London seems to be ready. Again, guys, I've said it many times, but what do you guys think will happen with Ripple with this situation? XRP has tweeted out Ripple chief Brad Garlinghouse addresses concerns of XRP manipulation. In a new interview with Bloomberg, Brad Garlinghouse addresses claims that as the largest holder of XRP, the company has the power to manipulate the market. Years ago, we put well over 90% of XRP that Ripple owns into escrow accounts that we can't access. So this is one of those kinds, what I call FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, where people put things out there without a total understanding of what's going on in the market. Garlinghouse says Ripple has stopped the practice of selling XRP on crypto exchanges for cash and currently only sells the digital asset to fuel its cross-border payments platform on-demand liquidity. Today, Ripple doesn't sell any XRP through what we call programmatic trading. We only sell it as part of the product and the product experience. Japan has been one of our strongest markets. We have a very successful partnership there with a group called SBI. They're actually our largest outside investor, and their CEO has been an innovator and pioneered a whole lot of things around finance and technology. So is Japan coming into the play as well? Greg has tweeted out, Bank of America, the Fed will use digital dollars to unleash inflation. Digital dollars. Remember, digitization, guys. Next, it comes from XRP. David Schwartz, CTO at Ripple, on XRPL's purpose. XRPL was purpose-built for transacting both in a native neutral asset, XRP, and also in issued assets to bridge to CBDCs, stablecoins, other payment networks, and other kinds of assets. It can't just be one network, it has to be based on bridges, not on walls. XRP and the XRP ledger were built specifically for this kind of role. But XRP can be the hub or backbone that provides the fast international settlement piece. XRP Crypto Wolf has tweeted out PayPal wants to buy cryptocurrency companies. A new report from Bloomberg indicates that payments giant PayPal is shopping for potential crypto company accusations. Crypto service from BitGo was named in the outlet's report. PayPal, of course, made waves this week when it announced a long-rumored move into crypto service in partnership with industry startup Paxos. PayPal will now allow users to hold and buy cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. So, will PayPal buy BitGo? Again, from XRP Crypto, the Eurosystem created a strategy for a new comprehensive oversight framework embracing new digital assets, products, and players preparing for digital euro issuance and deploying instant payment methods throughout the entire euro area. Digital euro could become necessary in a number of scenarios. Such situations include natural disasters, obstruct electronic payment methods, people become reluctant to use cash because of that, and if foreign digital payment methods threaten to displace domestic money, he said. As it stands, Eurosystem stakeholders have yet to officially given the stamp of approval for digital euro, but discussions about it have become more frequent, and recent developments, including the push in China to launch a central bank digital currency, could spur such conversations. Central bank digital currencies, more digitization, guys. Cointelegraph, CBDC as a store of value threatens financial system.
CBDC as a store of value threatens financial system, says German official. Burkhard Balz, a German politician and executive board member of the country's central bank, said in a speech on October 20 that it was crucial to build tools to restrict how the digital euro is used upon launch. Valls emphasized that people should only be able to use the central bank-backed digital euro as a mode of payment and not as a store of value. If the central bank digital currency has the same characteristics as traditional money, depositors could withdraw their funds in times of a crisis by converting it into digital euros, making the funds a liability for the central bank. This might lead to the structural disintermediation of the banking sector and, as a consequence, could potentially dampen the provision of bank credit to the economy, Valls warned. As a measure to prevent a digital bank run, Valls suggested that central banks may limit the amount of digital euros users can hold at any given time. Or, he said, banks could control demand for the digital euro by introducing incentives based on tiered remuneration, further adding. I am not so sure whether incentives could, in reality, prevent a digital bank run. Therefore, the technical implementation of CBDC would need to be thoroughly thought over and tested. Valls also stated that, while the Deutsche Bundesbank was deeply involved in discussions surrounding CBDC, it is also looking for alternative digital payment solutions so that the need to introduce a CBDC could be prevented along with the undesirable implications related to it. To that end, he said that the central bank is also considering the ways in which it may link blockchain-based solutions and smart contracts with conventional payment systems. In July, Valls said during a parliamentary session that cryptocurrencies were not currently a threat to financial stability. However, he added that they could be dangerous if they fall outside the scope of regulators' authority or where there is an absence of international standards.
Again from XRP Oil, Ripple CTO shorts, the dollar age is ending. Countries are releasing fixed coins. There will not be a single leader. CTO Shorts believes that although countries are rapidly making their way to launch their own digital currencies, one of them will not be able to become a global leader. In his statement, Schwartz mentioned that CBDCs will compete to become a global leader due to the increasingly widespread constant coin rush. He argued that there's no need to be a single leader anyway. Multiple digital currencies can play an important role. Look at this, guys. Multiple currencies. What does that make XRP? The bridge of all currencies. It looks like everything is being played out. Interesting, guys, but who really knows what will happen at the end of the day. But anyways, guys, hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. If you guys did, please leave a like, subscribe if you guys aren't ready. Feel free to be a member of the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day, and hey guys, see ya.
This is it. It ain't never gonna get any better. This is like a multiple orgasm the rest of your life, you fucking slags that are in the audience. This is it.
Sometimes I don't want to hear what Dan has to tell me. But as I wrote in one of my blogs, the old man, he's always right. Because he's telling you what you don't want to hear about yourself, but what you know is true. And that is, you're not stepping yourself up. You're not stepping your game up. And you get caught up in fear. As Dan says, false expectations appearing real.